Welcome to the Johannesburg Leadership Boardroom.
This is the place to be for C-suite leaders, CEOs, business owners, entrepreneurs, and this is the place where you can get a home for yourself to be inspired to do your business, take your business to the next level.
I'm Janine Dukabu. I'm an author, I'm a business strategist and a life coach, and I'm also the founder of the Intentionalist community. My mission is simple. I grow people that grows companies that grows communities.
It is great to co-chair this boardroom with the very good business person Janine Dukabu. My background is being the executive coach for a number of senior executives in South Africa, being a international motivational speaker who spoke on 5 continents, academic presenting DBA and MBA programs on behalf of French universities, and also are there for you because executive loneliness is the problem, and we are there to curb this, to help you solve your problems, to give you expert input. The Johannesburg Boardroom is the place to be.